guys, so from his shots are teething, but this little boy is not in a happy mood today. He is upset at the world and is showing it for everybody because I have not been able to get, look at this, my hair is a mess. I have not been able to get anything done today because he's not napping. He's crying. I can barely, I don't know. Today has been horrible. Here, let me get. It has definitely been a not so good day today. This little guy has been like this all day long. So yeah. Say hey guys. Can you say hi? We'll see. Alright, got him to lay back down. Now I'm gonna plug in my phone because it's almost dead and I'm gonna get some stuff done around here. Hopefully he sleeps. I need to sleep. But we've got the boy over there. So there's no napping for this mama. Unless Travis, you wanna take a nap with mommy?
No, enough.
Yeah, no. So yeah, time to get some cleaning done in this house today. I'm so tired. So that's how you know the difference between whether or not the baby is teething or not. So I was trying to figure out why he's been so cranky today, because usually he's not, and he gets the teething pain, but it's never to this extent with his necklace on. And I remembered his brother took his necklace off of him the other day, and he was fine yesterday, but today he's been acting not like himself, not wanting to eat. And I was like, why aren't you wanting to eat? Like, you know, because it never bothered him. And I was like, why aren't you wanting to eat? Not even his baby food. I tried sweet potatoes and he got through half of the container. And he's not wanting his bottles. And I'm like, what is wrong with you? And I forgot his necklace wasn't on. So his necklace is on. So hopefully we'll have a better day. Hopefully now that his necklace is on, his mood will change. He's playing in his jumper right now. So, hopefully, with any luck, we gotta figure it out. Because usually, as soon as I put it on, he's a totally different baby. So, we'll see. Let's go talk to him. So, Weston, what's your problem today? Hey, you gonna talk to us? Can you show him how you can jump? Jump? Weston, say jump, 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 jump. Say jump, 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 jump. There you go. Say jump, 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 jump. Can you say hi? Weston. Hey. Say hi. Say hi. He was trying to do it yesterday. He was sitting there and he got his little hands going like this at the doctor yesterday. Say hi. No? Okay, well you just play. Look at all that drool coming out of his mouth. Just, ugh. Watching your videos, go away. He said, I'm watching my videos, go away. Oh, stinker.
Oh,
hey, where's your shirt?
I don't want that.
Oh my gosh, I swear. This is why you might not see Travis a lot. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Travis doesn't like to wear clothes. Travis, do you like to wear clothes? Oh, look at my living room. Looks like a Weston tornado went off in my living room. Travis, do you like to wear clothes?
No.
No, no. See, didn't think so. That's garlic honey chicken,
Ew.
Alfredo,
Ew.
and beans.
Huh? I don't like
And it's baked beans, so they're really, really yummy. See, Kylie says that they're really good. And Weston got peace. Where's your beans at?
No.
They're right there.
No?
Yeah, they're right there.
Oh, don't want
That's your Alfredo.
to
It's yummy, yummy food. See the his fake coughing? You gonna cough again? You can do it?
I just got a...
He's not
I
really.
got the featured
He's not really coughing.
auto rifle from the K-Chest.
Just fake cough to get attention. And he's like, you know. The boy is dive bombing into the bathroom right now. Or into the bathtub. He's literally diving, putting his whole head underneath the water and his whole body underneath the water. You hear him? He's splashing. Good shit. He's in the bathtub. Oh my gosh. It says I got water in my eyes.
No, don't in my eye.
Oh, soap. Oh, he's got soap in his eyes. Well, see, that's even worse, right?
No.
When you are about as wet as they are, you know it was a good bath. That side, no, because I was sitting on that side. So this side of me is all wet. My legs. You knew it was a good bath if you get wet along with them. Not as wet, but still wet. Now it's book time because it's bedtime.
Night night.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. You might see me in the vlog. If you don't, then yeah, you will see me probably after tomorrow. I don't know if you're going to see me. I don't know.
After school?
Maybe.
You weren't really in it today.
No.
But what do we have coming up this week that you'll be in? You have your field trip. Tell them to be
After tomorrow's my
on
field
Thursday.
trip.
You have your field trip, so you'll be in the vlog on for your field trip day, huh?
Yeah, Mommy's going to come probably.
Yep, we're gonna do a field trip vlog on Thursday.
Mommy's coming.
Yep, you heard it. Field trip day is on Thursday, so we'll have a little bit of our field trip for Thursday. We're not gonna be going to all of it, just a few of it, because it's gonna be an all-day thing. So on Friday, we're gonna have a field trip vlog. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. It's gonna
Mommy,
be fun.
are
You
you
tell
going-
everybody that night.
Mommy, are you going to be there when we're recycling?
No,
No. Why?
because we're probably just gonna go meet you at the pumpkin patch, and then we're gonna go probably and meet you at the park. We'll have to see how the day is.
And Travis could play with
I
me.
just hurt myself.
And Travis could play with me in Graceland. And I could show my class that I really have two brothers. They don't believe me.
They don't believe that you have two brothers? Why not?
They don't think I do because I'm lying. They think I'm lying.
Why do they think you're lying?
No.
Maybe you should find a picture and take a picture of your two brothers with you to show and tell one time.
Okay. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, we'll have to get a picture. We'll get a picture and you can take it with you to show and tell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mommy,
Mommy, the
can we-
update on you too.
Can we get me dressed real quick?
Alright. Tell everybody in the night.
Night night. You're